My name's Deva Sheikh. I'm from the UK and I'm a counsellor.
My name is Janela. I was born in Philippines, but now I'm living in Germany.
Hi, I'm Emily Nunez. I'm from the Philippines.
I'm Sema Celik. I'm from Switzerland. My parents are from Turkey.
This retreat workshop surpassed my expectations by far. There was so much I learned about myself that I didn't even think that was going to be part of what I was going to learn.
I know in myself that it's gonna be like a process, a long process. I don't expect myself to get fixed right away. Like these 12 days that I was here, I didn't expect myself to fully 100% better. I know I have to work on it every day, especially when I go back to Germany.
Actually, I came here with empty, but I think I'm gonna go back to the Philippines with a lot of realizations, and I'm gonna be taking a lot of everything what I learned in the last 12 days with myself and everything that I've learned here. They taught me.
Definitely, I even got more what I expected. I actually did not expect a lot, but I knew for myself already that the combination of body, soul and mind.
The biggest thing that I discovered about myself is that my intuition is something that I should believe in and follow, and that I am really strong. Physically, mentally, I started with a smile and I ended with a smile. I never thought I would do that, but I did.
That I'm capable, that I'm a strong person. I used to see myself as really weak. I have very low self-esteem, but then when I got here, I realized that I have to respect myself. I have to know that I'm worth it. I'm stronger than I am, and then making that walk was really hard, and I can't believe that I made it.
The experience really gave me reason to continue to live enthusiastic every day. This whole experience is like a reset to me. This is how you should live, and it's sometimes you forget with the busyness in the world and your work, but coming here, it just reminded me the things that should be given attention to, how to be better every day.
I didn't know that I was able and capable for this. My mental strength, physical strength, that I was able to do this. Actually, I was not thinking that I'm gonna, especially the walk. I thought I'm not gonna be able to do this.
This will probably make me feel really emotional. The coach, his wife, all of the staff, everyone, whether we were in the villa or out of the villa, they kept us safe all the time. Absolutely recommend the country, but also the retreat. For women, you don't need to even think twice.
Everybody here in the villa is really accommodating. Coach Nasser and Magali, they're very nice person. They are so down to earth and we feel at home. I didn't expect that here. We are open, we can tell them whatever, everything.
This whole experience, the villa, the training, it's really memorable, and I'm taking everything back home, and I'm gonna continue how to live this way. It's such an experience.
The team, the staff, Coach Nasser, Magali, they did everything that we felt at home, comfortable, especially after the whole trainings, which were very hard. I felt pampered and safe and home.
Everything, just amazing, absolutely amazing. Do you know when people who know me will say, she's never speechless, but I am truly speechless. You know when you're so overwhelmed with love and respect and value, and they see your potential, they also make you feel loved at the same time. That was in every team member. So they're very carefully picked out, and they know how to look after us, and we're all different. We come from different places, our upbringing is all different, but it's almost like everything is bespoke. Even though it's a workshop for all of the ladies together, we're all different. So the team is very carefully selected and we are accommodated individually, so our needs are met, and it's so beautiful. It's seamless from coach to his wife to all of the team members. When you see excellence, that's what makes it feel so, it's like the bonus, the cherry on the top.
Yeah, the food was really great. Magali, she's the mastermind behind everything, the accommodation. Like, she made sure that everything is perfect. Our rooms, we have really good rooms. Like, before I came here, like, I was expecting I was gonna be sharing a room with the other girl, but then when I came here, I was surprised that we have our own room. They're very considerate for our stay here, and then she totally like think about the food, like the meal plan. It was perfect. Like, all food was so delicious, and the presentation, and then everybody is so accommodating and friendly, and you all make us like welcoming and, you know, feel at home.
Yeah, I appreciate, you know, everyone who maintained the villa, who cook food daily, and everyone who helped with our group, you know, when we do training. Everyone, like, I really appreciate the things they do for making our stay here comfortable. You know, training is not comfortable, but with those guys, you guys, you made our stay, our training, you know, it complemented the hard things we do for self-discovery.
Great, like the food was amazing. And yeah, we had a lot of nice conversations. The staff is very friendly. The accommodation is very comfortable. I was treated very nicely, and I felt very comfortable. Definitely worth it. I would do it again, and I'm sure I will come back. It's incredible what kind of coaching I received here, and especially Coach Nasser you can feel the fire, and you can feel how he wants people to improve.
He's amazing. However, without his wife, Magali, who is the real powerhouse, which I've just said that to her, she is his confidence. And together as a team, the message is for both of them, because they are a team and they come together. One doesn't come without the other. That keep doing what you're doing. You are amazing. I have so much respect and love for both of them, and I'm so glad our paths met.
My message to Coach: you are a tough person. Like, I didn't expect, like, I have an idea like what we were gonna be doing, like, but not everything. Like, I know it's gonna be tough and intense, like, you know, workout and everything. It's not gonna be easy. But then, like, you were hard on us. Like, you prepare us for everything what's to come, and it was really like very helpful. Like, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Like, it's not all about physical, you know, activities. It was the theories really helped us too. Like, it's a balance between the emotional and mental and physical. So I really appreciate you for helping us, the girls. When I go back to Germany, it's gonna be like, everything is gonna be like, whatever you instill in our minds, it's gonna be my motivation and inspiration to make myself better.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and the thing you do, this craft that you do for a lot of people is very inspiring. It takes a lot, you know, to really coach, to help people with different backgrounds, different issues, but you are giving yourself away to each and everyone, and that's really hard, but you're building a better world, one client at a time.
I can definitely recommend Coach Nasser. He's a beautiful soul. He serves to humanity, and I didn't think that I will overcome all of these difficulties with especially my hip and back problems. He taught me to overcome all my fears. I can recommend him to everyone who wants to get to know himself more, train mental strength. Yeah, I'm speechless.